Let's see how to create jacketed pipes in the P&ID. Click on the jacketed pipe icon on the top ribbon. Let's have a look at the jacketed pipe setting first. Click on the jacketed pipe drop-down and select Jacketed Pipe Setting function. Jacketed Pipe Setting dialog box will appear. You can opt for a partial or a full jacket and select the jacket style and determine the lateral space between jacket and object. You can also choose to bypass the inline component. To draw the jacket, select Draw Jacketed Pipe function from the Jacketed Pipe drop-down on the top ribbon. Now just click on the line where you want to add the jacket over the process line, and the jacket will appear with a partial jacket for components. To change the jacket type for the next line, change it in the settings and place the jacket over the second line. To delete a jacketed pipe which is already drawn, select Delete Jacketed Pipe function from the drop-down, then click on the blue process lines, not the red jacket, and the jacket will disappear.